Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a pie chart in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the Complete Pokemon dataset. And so first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop the Complete Pokemon dataset here into my Tableau Public session. So I'm going to drag and release the dataset in the open section, and then Tableau is going to read in this dataset for me. From there, I'm going to go to my worksheet, which is this sheet 1 here in the orange tab. And then I'm going to create my pie chart. So I'm going to first use the field type 1. I'm going to drag and drop that into text. And then I'm going to drag and drop experience growth here into color. And also drag it here into size. That will then first create this tree map visualization here for me. From there, I'm going to click on this drop down and I'm going to choose pie. And this will then create a pie chart for me, showing me each of the different types and the total experience growth. And I can change the aggregation here to median if I wanted to by clicking on the drop down here and then go to measure and click on median. And I will repeat the same process here for color. So I go down here to measure, click on median. And so now we're looking at the median experience growth for each of the different type 1 Pokemons. And I can also make this pie chart larger by going to the top panel, clicking on the standard dropdown, and then click on entire view. And this will make the pie chart fit the entire view here of my sheet 1 worksheet, here my Tableau Desktop Public Edition session. So there you have it. This is how you can create a pie chart in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.